Hey guys, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. This video is going to be kind of a help as far as how many hens you need to be self-sufficient with Coturnix quail. So I hope this helps. We're also going to be doing a video next on meat production. So we sell and ship a lot of eggs and meat throughout the year. And so you're usually buying Coturnix quail for either egg production or meat production. So this video is about egg production, and we're also going to do a video about meat production. So jumping into it, we are going to figure in a box of a 50 count hatching eggs, okay? So if you buy a 50 count box of eggs, you need to assume statistically a 50% hatch rate on shipped eggs is standard, it's normal, okay? So that means a 50% hatch rate will give you 25 quail. Out of that 25 quail, statistically, 12 hens and 13 males is what you'll get. Out of those 12 hens, you need to assume you'll get about 10 eggs a day. Okay? Now, over on this side, we underlined a couple things that we assumed. Okay? So number one, it takes 4 quail eggs to equal 1 chicken egg. Number two, we assumed a family of 4. And number 3, we assumed each family member will eat 2 chicken eggs per meal. So if we take the 2 chicken eggs per meal, that gives us 8 quail eggs per person. Well, for a family of 4, you'll need 32 quail eggs to make a meal for the whole family. Now, if you're getting 10 quail eggs a day, that's 70 eggs a week. Out of those 70 eggs, you'll need 64 eggs for 2 meals. So, if you buy a box of 50 eggs and hatch them out, you'll be able to provide 2 meals a week for Coturnix eggs. So our next video is going to be about meat production. I hope this helps. Make sure you go to our YouTube channel, like and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.